Hello. In this short video, I will explain how, with a simple free trick, you can increase the number of bookings from your web page. As a first step, you probably already know Calendly. Calendly is a tool that allows businesses to receive bookings through a calendar. It also offers a free plan that will let you create your booking page in just a few clicks. Once created, you just need to go to the social button widget offered for free by Callbell.eu. I am leaving both links in the description of this video. Thanks to this tool, you can create in just a few clicks a button to install on your website that will link to your Calendly landing page to receive bookings. Setting it up is extremely simple. It will be enough to select Calendly. Okay. Copy the link of our landing page that we generated using our Calendly account. Configure our widget graphically with various customizations and animations. And then, simply generate the script that will be used to install this button on our website. Once done, all you have to do is copy this code and install it within your site. If, for example, you use WordPress, you can download the dedicated plugin in just a few clicks. Or copy the script code inside the plugin and save it. Once saved, the widget button generated with Callbell will appear on my website. Users who click on it will be redirected directly to the Calendly booking page we previously created, and in an extremely simple and intuitive way, they can book their appointment. I hope this guide has been clear enough. Now I will show you a potential additional implementation, which is paid. That could be very interesting if your company works a lot with instant messaging channels, like WhatsApp. In this regard, I recommend taking a look at Callbell, which is a CRM designed for messaging applications that allows you to have a shared inbox to manage within a company, create automations and chatbots on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, and more. And furthermore, it allows you through our public API to create automations linked to Calendly. This can be very interesting, for example, to automatically send reminders on WhatsApp to clients who have booked an appointment. Both to confirm the appointment and to remind them a few hours before or a few days before the date of the meeting. Within our documentation, you will find detailed guides with videos that will explain step by step, in a very simple way, how to create these dynamics. With this I conclude. I thank you again for watching our video and do not hesitate to contact us for any questions. Bye.